Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel where you will enjoy watching me making beautiful and different DIYs for home decoration. If you are new here, consider joining my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and remember the notification bell. You will notify when I upload a new video. Today's video I am part of Napkin Exchange Challenge. It's such fun challenge where a few of us crafters get together and we send each other three kind of napkins in the package that we must use and create something for decoration. We have to think and be creative. So this collaboration is hosted by Sarah from Sunflowers and DIYing, and the co-host is Buffy from Buffy Designs. I have the channel's link as well as the playlist channel in the description box below, where you will see beautiful creators making gorgeous DIYs. So don't forget to check out all these channels for a bunch of inspirations. I received my napkins from La Parsha from Creating It Myself channel. I sent mine to Shawnee from Gizzy Stitches Home DIY. Let's see what I got from La Pasha. Surprise! This window, I like it. Ribbon, stencils, other stickers, other ribbons. All these stickers, farmhouse stickers, craft papers, beautiful pictures. I love them. Sure, I'm gonna use them. I like to add more details to my projects. And the 3 napkins I must use. She sent me a note. Thank you, La Pasha, for all these goodies. I love them. So let's see the 3 napkins. These floral napkins. The first one. Ta-na-na. And the stars. Bow. And barbecue. This is a more challenging one. I have to think twice, 3 times, 4 times to see what I have to do, what to make. And I got those napkins too. Thank you, Natasha, for all these napkins and these items. After thinking out of the box, I got some idea and let's jump to the first DIY. For the first project, I have been using this shadow box from Dollar Tree, and I am using these 2 napkins. I'm cutting this cardboard to make a background for this shadow box. Cover the back of this shadow box, and this napkin I'm using it to put some Mod Podge on it and those popsicle sticks on top of Mod Podge, but something happened. Oh, mistake. So what I have to do, those sticks, cut the 2 sides, put more Mod Podge on top of the sticks, then the napkin on top this sticks, not the opposite. Don't put the napkins first, so the sticks first, and then I'm scrubbing with my scrubber on top of the plastic, cutting those sticks covered with napkins. Sand it out all around with my sandpaper. Make it neat and clean, and cut in some pieces in a size, different size. I have this cork that I got from Dollar Tree, and I use it as a glue. It's first time using it, so let's see what's gonna happen. So I'm putting those pieces that I cut from the popsicle sticks covered with napkin. I'm making like bricks, wall bricks. So this wall needs to be coated with Mod Podge to look nice and sealed. Like that. Then I'm removing the excess of the cork around. And with this napkin, I'm gonna make another part of this wall. I'm painting with my white apple barrel paint. I'm adding this napkin over this white spot. Mod Podge first, and this piece of napkin. So this plastic helps me to press on top my napkin to make it flat without bubbles with my scraper. And I have this skewer that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm cutting 4 pieces that fit this square design. So I'm cutting with my C. So 4 pieces, send them out. Look, I'm sending out all the borders of the square design. So those 4 pieces that I'm gluing with my hot glue all around. I'm placing this square design to this shadow box, adding this black ribbon for more decoration. And I have this dresser, mini dresser that I got from Dollar Tree, painted with white chalk paint, and add some details like these transfers that I got from Dollar Tree. Adding those flowers, scrub with my popsicle sticks, another one, add some leaves, the 2 sides, and this pearl lace to decorate the top of this dresser. And this mini jar, like a vase, I'm gonna add some transfers and pearl lace on the top and some flowers inside. Glue it on top of this dresser. I'm adding these 3D stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. And voila, how it turned out, my first DIY. I love this gorgeous piece. I love how it turned out. It looks like shabby chic decor. So I hope you like it too. Let me know in your comment below what do you think about this project. Before to jump to the second DIY to see what I'm making with the barbecue napkin. Let's see what can we make with this barbecue napkin. So who can wipe with this barbecue napkin? Not me. So I'm gonna make something with it. So I need these stickers from Dollar Tree, this wire jar, these napkins of course, those stickers, these stencils to spell some words, and the green moss to make grass on the bottom of my sign. So this sign from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna paint it with white chalk paint in the back. I need this stencil, camper doodle stencil that I got from Michael's. I need it for my theme barbecue. So I put down my stencil, holding it with this painter tape, paint it with brown paint, apple barrel brown paint. So to have camper doodle for my projects. So I paint all over with my brown paint and the black apple barrel paint on the bottom for the wheels, and the bottom the yellow paint for the sun, and let's go words with the black paint too. So I need some details with my pencils, so I go over it to trace it with my paint. With my marker too, I need some detail to show more. So I need this marker. It's a gray, dark gray. So I go between lines, color it, and white and yellow paint for the door. And I have this wall tile sticker that I got from Dollar Tree to cover this wire jar. So trace it, cut it. Now with this napkin, I'm gonna cut a piece and add it on top of a piece of fabric with Mod Podge. Glue it there. As you see now, a piece of napkin on top of fabric with Mod Podge, and this parchment paper, flat it with my small iron. It's gonna glue on top of this fabric to make a heart piece with this napkin. I need it to make a packet to my jar. Let's see how I made it. Oh, this is my jar, and this is the packet. I'm gonna glue it in the back with my hot glue to make a packet. Then voila, like that. And this black ribbon, I'm gonna glue it on top of this packet and on top of the jar. Voila. So I need this transfers to spell happy camper, because we should be happy when you go for camping. So I'm gonna put them on the top of this jar using my popsicle sticks and this black ribbon around this jar to cover those corners, and this green moss. I add Mod Podge first, then green moss, then with the help of this parchment paper I'm gonna flat it with my iron, this to make a grass in the bottom of my sign. I think it's a good idea. I'm adding these 4 skewers to form a frame for my sign, and this 3D barbecue sticker that I got from Dollar Tree. I need this food, this grill, another sticker there says camper. I put it there. I have these silver utensils to add them into this jar packet. I need fork, spoon, and knife to have a happy barbecue day. It's cute, right? And this greenery in the corner. I'm covering the back of this sign with this adhesive paper. Voila, voila. It's beautiful decoration about camping and barbecues. What do you think, guys? Let me know in your comment below. What can you make with this barbecue napkin? It's summertime, let's go camping. We can never have enough of nature when we go there and look deep into nature. Then we will understand everything better and perfect. Right, guys? And we can get a lot of inspiration with no Wi-Fi but better connection. Look at my display now with my 2 projects and 3 napkins, using my 3 napkins. Let me know in the comment below what do you think. And take care. See you soon. Bye.